Asin Scanner, without any doubt, is my favorite tool inside all ProfitHunter. With Asin Scanner, you could process files up to 10,000 products and will process in less than an hour. In this way, you will have an automatic created analysis data sheet with more than 50 columns of data generated from history, products, competition, sales ranking, number of sales, and if Amazon is selling, what's the percentage of Amazon is selling. It's amazing the opportunities or the strategies that you can apply once you have this data sheet created in automatic for you. You only need to upload an identifier of the product, that it could be ASIN or UPC, Universal Product Code, and the cost of your product. If you don't know, you can upload it in zero and the file will be auto-generated. So in this way, you can process files that provide from your suppliers, and you can process files that you extract with our Chrome extension Asin Extractor to analyze other sellers in Amazon and identify the best products they're selling and try to reach out for the supplier. Asin Scanner is only available on the Expert and the Elite plans. The starter plan does not include Asin Scanner. To use this tool, okay, go to your left menu and you will find Asin Scanner. Click there. Each of the plans have different quota or processing products credits that you can process in a day or in your month. On the top right, I have this month, I have processed 4,417 products, and I have a daily quota up to near 50,000 because I have the elite plan. This is the list of the files you have been processed before, and you can arrange the columns as desired. You can filter and order A to C, C to A. It's very important that you can see the status that is being completed, processed, or failed. On the top right side, you have the blue icon that will open the project for you. The rerun or refresh this project. So if you want to update this same product listing, you need to rerun the project. If you don't need anymore the project, you can delete it on this red basket icon. The search box, you can type any keyword, supplier name, file name, or any other note that you typed in your file, and it will show only those that matching your file. Like for example, type Stanley, and there is only one supplier with that name. I can type, for example, Max, and I will have all of the projects files that have Max within one of the columns. Before creating a new scan or a new project, I will guide you how to prepare your files projects, upload them correctly into Asin Scanner. Depending on the case, you will have a file from your supplier, you will do an Asin extractor, or you could create your own file listing of products that you want to upload and process. An example of a supplier, okay? Supplier might send me his Excel file list with SKU, product name, barcode, stock, measurements, unit box, MOQ, and price, and many other data. What you want to do is that on file 1 are the headers of those columns. If there is any data before, you need to delete it, okay? Second is you can upload them with any header. We need two data, ASIN or barcode, UPC. So it's better if you rename it to UPC, where the data column for the barcode is, and CPU, that means cost per unit, for your cost of purchase for each product. So it will be automatic and easier to upload. If you use the Asin extractor extension to analyze another front store from other seller, then you will save the file and you will check this Algo Asin scanner. Once you import it, it will be generated a file like this: header Asin and a cost per unit of 0. Okay, This file you can automatically upload it to Asin Scanner. Let's see these two examples. This supplier file, I will download it to CSV, comma separated value. And now let's go to create our first upload to Asin Scanner. You're gonna click here where it says new scan, and you have this first section to upload the file. You can drop it or you can browse the file, and automatically it has detect UPC, the barcode that's named UPC, and the cost per unit, and it's showing me exactly what the data examples on my file is representing. If for any chance your columns are not labeled as UPC or CPU, you can select and indicate to Asin Scanner what is the corresponding column label for the UPC or for the cost per unit. Once everything looks fine here, the data is showing correctly, you're going to click next. Here you will select which marketplace you want to Asin Scanner collect and process the history data and all of the information to generate the analysis file. So I'm going to select the US market. I'm going to type a file name. I'm going to leave it like that. And I can type any supplier name that I want, optional. So in this case, it was store front Amazon. I forgot the name. And I can put some notes. In this part, you can put notes like brand. I'm going to type like Kirkland, Lego, and toys and kitchen. So you can type any notes, brands, or information that will recall you what is this project about, and then you can even search for these keywords or these words that you're typing here on your notes. So you click analyze, and the system will confirm that it's being analyzed and it's being pending. You can cancel a pending project that is being processing here on the red X. While it's processing, you can open the file. So remember, we can open the file clicking on the name or clicking on the blue arrow. Okay. And if it's processing and working, it will start showing the data right here. You don't need to wait until all the process is done. You can start working on your file. So if I come back, this was just one product, so it was really quickly. It's already completed. You need to refresh to see the progress. I'm gonna open it, and I have already my first uploaded to Asin Scanner. Okay, I have just wait a couple of minutes, and this file is already processed, complete, 100%. So I can go ahead and open it, and let's see what we have. First of all, in this top section, we have the file name. We have when it's completed, the data is going to be referent to that date, like the ranking, the buy box price, and competitors. All of the data is going to be to that date. Okay, the supplier name and some other notes that you type in when you upload it to refresh your mind what this file is all about. We have this second section that we have some quick filters that you can apply. Like, for example, you can search product that has a minimum return on investment of 50%, 10%, etc. Or products that have a minimum sales of 50 units, let's say 100 units, and will automatically filter those products for you. Or maybe you want to have minimum sales of 200 and a maximum ranking of, let's say, 150,000. So all from the almost 200 products, only these uh, 9 products are within these two quick filters that I applied. Also, we have automatic ProfitHunter presets. These are quick filters that are already configured for you to just upload a file, process the file, and click these filters. But let's see, big profit, fast sellers, and I have all these 8 products that are fast seller because of the data. You have more than 54 columns of data to play around and work your filters. You also have some personalized presets. You can configure what columns do you want to see, which order place the columns, and which filter strategies you have and then save those filters so you can apply the same filter when you come back to the same file or when you open another project files. For example, I'm going to click my favorite positioning and looking for, and automatically it's representing what I've saved for my preset favorites. Looking for all the data, and it's only fixed on the left side, the Asin, UPC, and product title. And on the right side, there is all of the other columns available for me to play around and filter. Well, you always can move from the column and any column and place it wherever you want. Just click, drag, and drop, and we will change the placement. What other things we can do? Click on this menu in each of the columns, and you have three possibilities. One is to uh, view which of the columns do you want to view on the table. You click on it to view it, and you uncheck to hide it. You can pin the column to the left side, pin the column to the right side, or to the center. What is pin? Like for example, this boy box, I'm going to pin it to the left. Now it's fixed on this left side panel window. So if I scroll horizontal, it's going to be always freezed or pinned on the left side, my buy box. Okay, so I'm going to pin it to the right side. So now it's on the right side of the table and it's always visible or freezed. So you can pin to the left side, you can pin to the right side, or you can remove the pin for any column. No pin. Okay, what else we can do? We can filter data or information. It will depend which type of information does it have, and the filter will be quite different. Like for example, I wanna filter out products within a range of buy box price. Okay, so I'm going to click on the first icon that is filter, and I can type in that equals to 15.81 cents. So it will show only the products that are equal to that value that I type in. But the one I use more is between. So I'm going to filter products that buy box product is between $19 and $80. So apply the filter and it's already represented on the data. And you can apply as many filters you want to all of the data columns table. Another example of filtering, if Amazon is on the buy box or not. Okay, if Amazon is selling the product and is in the buy box, it will be true value. So I'm going to put true value, and now I have the products where Amazon is right now representing and selling the product. Other filter is no, I don't want to see Amazon. So I click on the filter and I click false. So all of these other products, Amazon is not on the listing. We have two other buttons, hide errors. Errors are products when you upload with a universal product code and that universal product code was not found in Amazon database as a product, that's going to be an error. Reset filters will clear up and reset filters to the default values. You can search any term within all of these data table analysis. You can search by Asin, you can search by product title, you can search by anything you want to search, and if that value is anywhere on the table, it will show up. Like I'm going to type Amazon. So everywhere there is Amazon, like Amazon seller, here current Amazon seller, so it's Amazon, 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 or dominating Amazon seller, so it's showing me all of the data that's Amazon. Let's see about toys. Let's type toys. So everywhere I find the word toys, it could be on the title, it could be on the category, it could be on the seller's name. So it's gonna show me those products that have the toys. Okay, so I could find any product, maybe a brand like Kong. Okay, so all of the products for that brand is gonna show up. Okay, so you can find for category, for brand. You can filter this. This is a general search for all of the file, but you could also come here and filter by brand. Nog, Kong, Kong, select, and you will see only those results in this column. Okay, if you use the search bar, we'll return all of the data table in all of the columns. Once you have selected and filtered and apply your strategy, you will have some products left over, right? Let's apply some really fast strategy. So I don't want products to be found by Amazon. So I'm going to type here Amazon is false. Okay. Buy box price, I want it to be somewhere between $18 and $49. Okay, and I want to be products that sell. Here we have bought in the past month at least greater than 50 units. Okay, and I can sort by ranking. So now from this store, from this other seller, I have these products that are the best, that are matching my searching criteria. I'm going to click on Asin and I'm going to see which product represents on Amazon. So I can see the second product are these protein bars, and this other product is some chocolates. Once you have this result, you can export it to Excel file, and you can complete and process all of the information to your analytics in your Excel file. So you click on this icon and the file is going to be saved on your desktop. Let's reset these filters and show you how to personalize, customize your columns. You go to this right menu where it says select columns, and you have all of the columns. You can switch all off, you can switch all on, or you can select which columns do you want to find. Remember, we have more than 54 data types columns, so learn each on every single data, why is important for you, when is important for you, and apply different strategy, different layouts customizable for you when you need some data. Also, you can reorder what's the layout columns on these little gray dots. If you click and drag, then the column will be moved to the left side of the screen, or if you move it down, it will move to the right side on the position. So you can visualize with which column data tables, and you can order right here from this right side menu. You can save your own layouts, customizable presets. So you're going to click right here on the right side, your presets, and once you have established any filter criteria, any layout, any column order, column sorting, you can save as many presets as you want. For example, I'm going to move some data just right here to the top. Again, just playing around. Okay, so I already moved something, and I'm going to save. I'm going to go to my presets, and I'm going to save it new test preset. You can type the strategy or any values or whatever is identifying your searching strategy or criteria. You click save. Once you save it, you need to reload the report. Now you see that I have my new test preset here on my custom presets, and you want to click on it, and those filters and strategy that you apply will be reflected. So now you can select how many product files you want to view per page. So on this bottom, you can click if you want to see 1, 20, 50, 100, all of the products in one single page. So you can scroll down in the same page to see all of your products, or you want to go 20 by 20, 50 by 50, and you want to go page by page. So overall, this is how it looks. My favorite tool, Asin Scanner, to act really fast on gathering information that would take you weeks or months, being in front of the computer, being very frustrated, analyzing, searching for products, not looking those winner products. So this will do automatically, uploading files from your suppliers, uploading files from Asin Extractor, leaving the tool do their work while you are doing interesting things for your business. Then come back and apply quick filters, apply your own filters, apply new strategies of filters, and get the results in minutes or seconds for the best products to sell on Amazon. I'll see you on the next video.